we have number 1, Ruby De Leon. Isabel De Banadera, number 2. Suzanne Rosas, number 3. Gretzel Tones, jersey number 5. Laan Latigay, number 11. And Dindin Santiago, number 17. Libero, Lydian Pantone. Head coach, Roger Gorayev. Good luck to both teams.
Guni-guni ko lang ba, Ivy, guni-guni ko lang ba o parang mas kinakabahan niya si Coach Roger nung pinakilala na si Dindin Santiago sa starting lineup. But that's a lot of pressure on him,
Of course, yes. Because, well, definitely this is, as we mentioned earlier, this is a must-win game for the Turbo Boosters. And although siguro sa mind ni Coach Roger, no, yes, he has Dindin, Aganon is there, but it doesn't necessarily mean na it's going to be easy for them as well, eh.
You're up against the defending champions. Sabihin
Exactly.
na natin, nag-champion itong Cagayan Valley dahil meron silang dalawang tayo reinforcement class conference. Pero still, yung talent level nila with the addition of Janine Marciano, the revival of Rosemary Vargas, yung Aiza Maiso, parang teenager pa rin maglaro. Diba? I mean, ang daming nadagdag pa si Giselle C.
Exactly. And again, we have to remember that the game in Game 1, it was won by Cagayan in 4 sets.
Yes.
So, they are definitely in very high spirits and very motivated in this match.
Well, simula na po tayo dito. Served by Giselle C. Nandun ka agad si Tatan Pantone. Dindin, nagpakilala ka agad. At, na-miss nyo ba ako? Sabi ni Dindin. First conference MVP. Actually, 2-time MVP din. Yung dalawang first conference natin, 2013-2014. Siya po yung MVP. So the first point belongs to PLDT Home Telpad. Lasa de Banadera. Giselle C. Back set ngayon. Janine Marciano. Gretzel Saltones inangat. Ruby De Leon. Papunta kay Dindin. Aba, 2-0. Dindin Santiago. Talaga, early option ka agad. Puntahan ito si Dindin. And again, we're talking about one of the most talented, if not the most talented quicker in the Philippines. 6'2", 500.
Of course, a lot of advantage na. Matangkad rin kasi itong si Dindin. She has the height, but she still has the speed as
in terms of crowd support. Coach Roger on your screens as we take our friends from Shakey's. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Buenas Eulalio. Now serving, down by 1. Simula lang po natin dito. Of course, Cagayan Valley leads counter in 4 sets. Running attacks, 2 Roses. Ang dami biglang option ni Ruby, ano?
excellent play there executed by the Turbo Boosters. Nakikita mo talagang nalito yung blockers si kanino ba pupunta.
Right. Dalawang nag-running doon. Si Roses. And all 3 points of PLDT coming on offense. And here is Luan Latigay, the former league MVP. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. With a majestic serve once again. Maiso! Ginamit ang kamay ni Soltones.
Aiza Maiso, of course, playing very smartly. Yan yung kailangan din nila siguro bantayan din si Aiza Maiso.
Right.
She doesn't always go for those hard-hitting spikes, you know. Mautak din maglaro yan eh.
Well, alam mo, si Aiza Maiso is actually playing better than her MVP year in this conference. And her MVP year, what, came 2-3 years ago. Here's Rosa, turned back by Pao Soriano.
Good lead there from Pao Soriano.
Di katangkaran si Pao, pero pag tumiming naman yan sa block, kita-kita natin dito. Walang bumili doon sa running kay Dindin, and Pao stayed with Roses. So now the serve from Janine Marciano, tied at 3.
Good serve.
Bad reception, pero good set pa rin from Ruby De Leon. Maiso winning against Santiago that time. Giselle C. Vargas, nabanga si Dindin.
No coverage there for Cagayan.
Grabe, no? Dindin has scored 3 of their first 4 points. Yan ang debut.
Hindi ko, excited na excited din kasi si Dindin eh.
Megas is the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. Of course, nursing a few knee injuries. Pero mukhang back in 100% playing form na naman. Santiago, middle. Nandun naman si Bang Pineda. C, back set. Aiza Maiso!
Aiza Maiso, the lefty. Of course, choosing a very hard angle lagi sa mga palo niya eh.
Again, a good set coming from Giselle C. Wala magagawa si Kuya that time. Tied at 4. Magandang duelo ngayon, ano? Din versus Aiza Maizo. Maizo now to serve. Sharp one. Nahirapan doon si Roses. Bumalik sa panig ng Cagayan Valley. They go to the open. Kay Vargas. Dug up there by Latigay. Habol naman si Sue. Punta dito kay Soltones. Soltones, inabangan ni Pao Soriano. Good start for Cagayan Valley.
Definitely, Cagayan Valley playing a very steady game, you know.
2 block points already para dito kay Pao Soriano. So 5-4 sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin proudly, Philippine made. Another good serve coming from Aiza Maizo Portillas.
PLDT, of course, you know, so far they're having a little difficulty with the first ball.
Right. If I'm not mistaken, Aiza Maizo is actually running number 2 right now in the MVP race. Behind Rachel Aldakis of the Philippine Army. That could change today. Baka ma-overtake niya pa si Rachel dito. If they go on to win and make it to the final. Santiago with the left hand. Giselle C. Back row attack. Maizo. Yan! Dalawa pa tumatik.
There was a touch there from PLDT.
Good inspired start for the former MVP, Aiza Maizo. Again, napapako yung backline defense doon ng PLDT. Latigay, 2 beses na nabiktima that time. 7-4 Cagayan Valley. Pantone, De Leon, running attack. Din! Dug up by Maizo, pero dumiretso sa atin.
Almost a good save there from Aiza Maizo.
So 7-5 Cagayan, naging 2 na lang kanilang kalamangan. And the debuting Din Santiago, who played last conference for Smart Maynilad. Umabot din sila ng finals against this very same Cagayan Valley squad. Pero alam naman natin kung ano nangyari last year. 16-0 ang Cagayan Valley. Vargas, medyo may kalakasan. May tumapik ba? Wala daw.
Point goes to PLDT. But the PLDT still 1 point behind here in set number 1. Cagayan leads 7-6.
Earlier they were leading 7-4. So Santiago once again. Din, matalim na naman yung kanyang
good
serve.
strong serve.
Oh, Pao Soriano out of nowhere. Good start for everybody. Pagkabilang ko pa lang, we have a close one. 2-point lead for Cagayan Valley. Kami po magbabalik.
With Smart's all text 20 plus. Trying it calls to many.
Made better with all they services. No tweets and a tweet. Share and like. It's the tweet that's so free. And it's still at 20 bucks.
Send AG20 to 2827.
So now the day gets better. Better than the day before.
Hey, listen, let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust, the new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only
Roger, ang sabi nga niya, no, he is expecting his team to play at a more professional level dahil wala na daw sila sa college. Kung kaya sa laro ngayon ang inaasahan niya ay makita ang consistency at ang apoy sa laro ng kanyang team. And due to the absence of Soriano, who is now on vacation, Coach Roger is happy to field in Santiago, who was able to train last Friday with the team. Now, with her addition, what Coach Roger hopes to get is more threat at the net from her blocking and offense. Noel and Ivy?
Well, nakablanka na nga siya kanina. She is leading in scoring right now. But that time, there was an error sa Cagayan Valley. Batiin lang natin isa sa mga fans natin, si Eliza De Valdez. Pinaghalo talaga.
Pangalan,
Eliza De Valdez. Yung mga isang araw pa nagpapabate. Yan. Wish come true. Giselle C with a drop shot. And Gretchen Soltones kisses the net support.
No coverage there for PLDT. Here we can see, no, Cagayan clearly talagang pinag-aralan ng mabuti yung depensa ng PLDT.
Good drop shot eh. Yun talaga hindi mo inaasahan. Wala rin magagawa sila Tigay that time eh. Vargas now. Looping serve. Nakuha naman niya ni Roses. Galing likod. Ito na yung option niya galing back row. Dindin Santiago, and here is Aiza Maizo again.
Aiza Maizo more successful in that back row attack.
So lamang na si Maizo sa scoring, and that's her second hit from the back row. Si Dindin pa yung biniktima niya ron.
Oh.
At sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin, proudly Philippine-made.
Actually, hindi pa ready si Dindin nun.
Oo.
She was just recovering pala sa tapos biglang binalik na kaagad ni Aiza.
Good read, however, from Roses dun sa serve ni Vargas na kumaliwa. So 10-8 po ang ating score. Dikitan pa rin po tayo dito sa ating first set. Once again, Cagayan Valley, if they win today, they are through to the finals for the third straight year sa ating open conference. That's too near and wala magagawa dyan ng depensa. Buti na angat pa yun ng Cagayan Valley. Here's Ruby De Leon going to Luan Latigay. Giselle C. sending it to Marciano. Naabangan that time ni Roses. Binuhay ni Pineda. One more time for Marciano. Inabangan na naman ni Roses. Giselle C. Dilala sa likod. Aiza Maizo again!
Aiza Maizo doing everything here for Cagayan.
Tatlo na yan. 3 for 3 from the back. Para kay Aiza Maizo. Parang 3-point shot sa basketball yan eh. Sabi ni Giselle C, kanina pa inaabangan yung opener, lagay naman natin sa likod. And again, it's Dindin Santiago who seems a little bit slow on defense. Ay, matagal na rin din naglalaro si Dindin. 11-8, Giselle C, Latigay, De Leon. O, bawi daw si Dindin. Sabi ni Bang Pineda, mamaya ka na bumawi ate. Dindin, back set ngayon. Roses turned back. Now Roses will do the setting for Luan Latigay. Cross-court bomb for the former MVP.
Luan Latigay was able to put that in to two tall blockers. Talagang naisingit pa niya yung set pagitan ng dalawang blockers na yun.
Alam mo naman si Latigay, nakakahanap parati ng paraan yan. So she's one of the best open spikers in the league. Former MVP nga. Here's Asa de Vanadera, former teammate naman yan ng college, San Sebastian. Pineda on the reception. C. Combination play. Aiza Maizo. Nasa luyo ni Santiago but naka-iwas si Coach Roger at the right time bago sumasagasaan ni Soltones. Coach Roger's not happy about their defense.
Yes. This is, yun yung kailangan nila ngayon siguro probably what they really need to work out at the moment.
And here's a serve coming from Eulalio. De Leon, Santiago sa open na tumira.
That's outside, but there is
violation.
a violation called up against Cagayan. Lucky break here for the Turbo Boosters.
On Pau Soriano actually. Sinubukan habulin ni Pau Soriano that time. So 12-10. Luan Latigay once again para dito sa PLDT home telpad. And there is Roger Gorayev. Profile shot. Nice short serve coming from Latigay. Maizo, hala!
Good block.
Si Dindin.
Good adjustment there from Dindin Santiago.
And Dindin is rekindling her relationship with former teammate Gretchen Soltones. Actually, si Soltones pala yung nakadali ron. Si Dindin sumuporta lang.
Well, we would expect, having Dindin and Gretchen at the front, padadaanin kay Soltones yan because she's the smaller blocker.
Latigay nagdabog nung kanyang serve ay kinapos. So, dalawa ulit ang kalamangan dito ng Cagayan Valley. Hindi naman kaliitan dito si Gretchen, ha?
Yeah, but of course, if you're the attacker, you would go for the smaller blocker.
Doon ka na sa 5'8", kaysa doon sa 6'2". Roses, De Leon, Santiago, and Pau Soriano kept it alive pero hindi naabutan ni Giselle C.
That was a good one-hand set from Ruby De Leon.
Tandaan mo sa NU, yan ang gusto ni Dindin, yung mga one-hand set. Pag si Jaja, ayaw niya. Yung mga one-hand set, mas gugustuhin pa ni Jaja mag-running na lang. They were teammates in the first conference. Cross-court is good again. Aiza Maizo, taas ng porsyento ngayon, ha?
Excellent cross-court from Aiza Maizo.
Balik ulit sa dalawa. Dindin yan. Sama na ng tingin. Para siya parati binibiktima kasi ni Ate Aiza niya. Yan. Teammates, of course, on the national team. Santiago and Maizo. Santiago with a drop. Giselle C is there. Maizo going to Vargas. Tries a swipe. Yes, it works. Nagulat si Suzanne Roses that time. Ang ganda ng panimula rito. I mean, Cagayan Valley is just more aggressive coming out of the gates dito.
The body language of Cagayan, how they move inside the court, you can really see that they mean business for today's game.
Sense of urgency na rin kasi nadagdagan nga ng dalawang magaling na player itong PLDT home Telpan. Another error between Giselle C. and one of her quickers. That time it's Pao Soriano.
Right, miscommunication once again. Sayang yung mga ganung play. It's an opportunity. It was actually a good set.
Oo. Pero di naman nag-running si Pao. Kanina rin, si Wenet Yulalio, di rin nag-running.
Iba naman palang hinihingi.
Oo.
Yung mga minsan na parang disappointing of course for the part of the coach kasi mga nasayang na puntos yun eh.
And this is now Ruby De Leon sending it to Gretchen Soltones.
Bang Pineda not able to keep that alive.
Maganda na basa ni Bang Pineda pero again, ang lakas din ang palo nitong batang to. The youngest member of the team. Ito si Gretchen Soltones and the only, dalawa sila actually na college student sa team na yan. Soltones and Eliza Eroa.
Of course, both from San Sebastian College.
1 point lead na lamang para sa Rising Suns. Santiago again.
Good serve.
Marciano digs it up. Vargas ngayon. Yan na naman. Si Dindin talaga ang pinupuntirya nila sa depensa. Cagayan Valley still holding a 2-point lead into our second technical timeout. We'll be right back.
Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Pro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get Smart's internet now. Smart Pro.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
There's pizza, chicken, pasta.
It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your monster meal and family meal deals.
Choose any for the same price. What a great deal.
We love Shakey's!
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music stream.
Si Rosemary Vargas, tama punto niya. Mahilig yan sa down the line. At paano mo namang maabutan nyo kung hindi mo i-adjust yung paa mo?
That's right. And we can see here, probably with Dindin's addition here, they would have to do some adjustments in terms of their defense pattern.
Oo.
Diba? Because they have somebody new inside the court. And probably the same way that Dindin is used to a certain way din sa pagdating sa depensa.
Pao Soriano gets a service ace. Rosas having a bad day in terms of receiving and digging. And of course, siya yung MVP candidate naman itong kuponan na ito. Pao Soriano. Short serve this time. Ruby De Leon inangat. And here's Marciano. Back set. Maizo. Dug up that time by Pantone. Here's a back row attack coming from Santiago herself. And Maizo gives up the free ball. Ruby, hinulog. Nandun naman si Marciano. Joust at the net. Di Banadera wins. Pero bola pa rin ng Cagayan Valley. Vargas off the block. Santiago inangat. De Leon going to Soltones. Nakabang si Hilario. Pero lumabas yung bola. Puntos para sa PLDT home Telpan.
That was a long rally. Better defense on the part of PLDT. But still, meron pa rin mga missed opportunities para dito sa PLDT in terms of how they could attack.
Ito na, jump serve time coming from 19-year-old Gretchen Soltones. Always a good one. Running attack. Ayan na naman. Di na naman sila nagkaintindihan. And that one stays in.
Point goes to PLDT. And so far here, just before we, at the time we went to the second technical timeout, Cagayan is actually leading here in terms of attack points. We already have 11 as opposed to only 7 of PLDT. But both are doing very well in blocking. Both already earned 2 points out of it. And at this point, Cagayan has actually more enforced errors given to PLDT.
So, yan ang balita yan kasi yung PLDT mo ka nahihirapan dito. Para service ace there from Gretchen Soltones. Sa panahon ng tagulan ni Wasan ng Dengue, Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin, proudly Philippine-made. Tied at 17, Soltones trying to give PLDT home Telpan the lead. That's not work. service error.
Coach Roger not very happy with that service error. But of course, kasi sayang nga naman yung pagkakataon na yun. No? You put the serve in, pwede kang makadepensa, pwede pa kayo makapuntos.
Galing sang ace.
Exactly.
Time na yun. So, 18-17, balik ang kalamangan ngayon sa Cagayan Valley. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Good serve from Vargas. Here's De Leon, galing sa likod. Tintin, hinulog.
The set was too low for Tintin Santiago. Maizo, lucky break for Aiza Maizo.
4 out of 5 now for Aiza Maizo. Galing sa likuran, and a timeout here for the Turbo Boosters, down by 2.
Mag-aawag ka sa'yo, nag-open yung atake. Dapat nakahanda kayo sa babalik na bola. Puro kayo magugulatan eh. Kayo magugulat. Pinapalo ni Maiso yung bola, asahan nyo papasok. Di pag hindi pumasok, di okay. E kaysa ganun pumapasok, nagugulat tayo na mali ang pwesto lagi. Huwag kang sasaldo na ganun sa spike. Dalawa lang yan, nalapasan na natin yan.
Yung inis ni Coach Roger sa last timeout, andun na eh. Tapos pinabayaan na naman. And again, that lucky shot there coming from Aiza Maizo. Pero again, correct yung point niya. Kung tama pwesto nyo, hindi dapat nangyayari ito.
Exactly, that's right. And we have seen that nagkakaroon sila ng problema sa depensa. I think it's more of the positioning, you know. And of course, Coach Roger recognizes na napaka-importante na mauna sila dito sa set number 1.
Vargas with a good serve. Ruby. Sasa de Banadera. As an old San Sebastian play run by Roger Gorayev. The setter pa nila si Chang Ancheta. That was the Ancheta to de Banadera quick.
Yes. That was unexpected by the Lady Rising Suns.
Down by 1 ngayon ang Turbo Boosters. Pineda with a good reception. Giselle C. sending it to Janine Marciano, has been quiet in this first set. Luan Latigay. Ando naman si Maizo. C. sa kabila. Marciano off the block. Latigay. De Leon back set. Suzanne Roses kept alive there by De Banadera. Roses tries to drop it in. Long rally. Marciano hulog na naman. Net violation De Banadera.
Another costly error there for PLDT.
Papunta na sa likod si Sasa, sumapit yung kamay sa net. 2018, Giselle C. once again. Yung mga bagong acquisition ng Cagayan Valley, Giselle C., Bang Pineda, Janine Marciano. Kung tutuusin, lumakas pa lineup nila talaga eh.
Miscommunication there for PLDT. Another lost or missed opportunity.
And again, cashing in is Aiza Maizo.
Aiza Maizo playing exceptionally well today. Ang taas ng percentage nito nga si Aiza Maizo. Their success rate in her attacks is around 70%, 70 or 80%.
Right. And you know what, I was doing the math last night. If Aiza Maizo top scores for her team at nanalo itong Cagayan Valley in straight set, she will overtake Rachel Andakis for the number 1 spot sa MVP race. Of course, di ba natin kita yung nagiging resulta ng labanan ng Air Force sa Army sa second game. Maizo again, kept alive there by Tatan. Here is Dindin, and Dindin misses.
Dindin Santiago may kasamang gigil sa kanyang palo eh. You know? I think there's this frustration that she knows that she wants to help, she wants to pour in the points, but it's just not happening here for PLDT.
Again, the body is willing, but the mind is not yet in sync. Matagal na kasi hindi naglalaro. Quick set, De Banadera tries to drop it. Nato si Vargas. Maizo again! And Maizo again!
Aiza Maizo, she has, ang atake niya, nandun lang naman sa direction na yan eh. It doesn't really go in other different directions, but PLDT is having a hard time to defend their attacks.
Pwestuhan sa sahig. Ang nagiging issue rito, 2 puntos na lang kailangan ng Rising Suns para mabingwit itong ating first set. Tatan with the reception. Here's a triple combination now. Luan Latigay. Ando naman si Giselle C. who's playing like a libero again. Pantone. De Leon. One hand set. Sasa de Banadera.
Excellent play from Ruby and Sasa.
At least ngayon, nasasabi ko na ng buo pangalan ng De Banadera. Naalala mo nung araw?
Oo
quick sa De Banadera. Habulin mo na lang eh. Because it was that quick. And believe me, si Sasa, getting slowly back to her playing form.
Right.
Nung siya'y kasama pa sa San Sebastian. Here's Giselle C. Back set. Marciano!
Excellent hit from Janine Marciano. Magandang setup yun na ginawa ni Giselle C.
Sabi siguro sa akin ni Janine, quiet kuya.
Quiet ka dyan.
Pasabog na, 5 set point po ang hawak ng Cagayan Valley sa serve ni Wenneth Eulalio.
And now, PLDT, of course, really needs to work on their blocking kasi malaking tulong din yun in terms of defense. They're not
Right.
having an easy time with their floor defense. So, kailangan medyo konting suporta sa harap ng net.
Well, Ross is able to get one back. So, 4 pa rin ang inahabol dito. Set point na po itong Cagayan Valley. The majestic serve of Luan Latiga is up next. So, let's see if the former NCAA and Shakey's V-League MVP can rally her team. Giselle C. Back set. Maiso! Pamatay sunog sa rally ng PLDT Home Telpad. And what a start for Cagayan Valley. 25-20. Nakuha po nila itong ating first set. As we take a look at our shake and play, Aiza Maizo poised to make another strong case for league MVP after that first set performance. Second set sa aming pong pagbabalik. Naman, attack points still belonging to Aiza Maizo and Cagayan Valley.
That's right, Aiza Maizo scoring 11 out of that 16 attack points. And, yes, and she also had one service. So, excellent performance shown here by Aiza Maizo. Siguro isa sa mga hindi lang natin makikita dito sa mga numero on your screens. No? One of the reasons why Cagayan also won set number 1 was the fact that PLDT was having difficulty with the reception. Nahihirapan sila, to pick up the ball, yung mga atake nito nga Cagayan.
Pero grabe, nakita natin pasabog ni Marciano at saka ito ngayon si Aiza Maizo. Now, Aiza Maizo scoring 11 points. She scored 13 points in the entire game 1. So, nakuha na niya kaagad yung karamihan ng kanyang numero per set pa lang.
That's right. And she, after Maizo, we also have Soriano with 4 points and then Vargas with 2. So, ang laki ng difference with the top scorers. And if we look at the other side naman for the Turbo Boosters, their top scorers, Santiago and Soltones only has 4 points each, followed by Roses with 3.
Well, si Roses may 4 na rin after that attack point. So, PLDT Home Telpad scoring first dito po sa ating second set. Once again, game 2 na po ito ng semifinal series nito dalawang to. At Cagayan Valley leads 1-0. Noel Zarate kasama ang Remulla sisters, Ivy Remulla and Ann Remulla Kanda from the San Juan Arena. Here's Giselle C. Back row attack na naman. Aiza Maizo. Bad reception, bad dig once again. And there will be Marciano called.
Net violation error.
Janine Marciano trying to interfere dun sa net. Pero again, Janine Marciano, there were some spells, especially the elimination round, na hindi siya ginagamit as a starter.
Yes. So probably siguro nung mga panahon yun, Coach Ness was still looking for the right mix. You know? Kasi ang hirap din namang magbalasa on the part of Coach Ness having so many good players sa kanyang lineup.
Well, De Banadera is starting hot here today. Nakapuntos na naman, 3-0 PLDT. Home Telpad. Now, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Ruby De Leon with the serve. Vargas, C, going to Marciano. And dug up by Pantone. Kabila naman ngayon, Latigay, Marciano, C, combination. Hindi ready si Marciano that time. Santiago, De Leon, Latigay. Ando naman si Pineda. Long rally once again. Marciano, kept alive by Pantone. De Leon going to Latigay once again. And the cross-court bomb explodes for Luan.
Very long rally. Pero good defense being shown by both of these teams this time. This is yung cross-court ni Luan Latigay was a bit too strong for Janine Marciano.
The majestic Luan Latigay. 4-0 PLDT Home Telpad. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. And it takes a service error from Ruby De Leon na ibigay ang unang punto sa Cagayan Valley sa set number 2. So naman yung opposite number ni Ruby. Si Giselle C, pareho pa number 1. Yung dalawang setter, dalawang starting setter na magkabilang pupunan. C with the serve. Latigay, De Leon, masyado mababa para kay Kuya. That is a rare communication error between the two veterans. So 4-2. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Light Tiger Katolang gamitin, proudly Philippine made. Nandito na naman si King Banga, wala naman si Noril. Diba?
May
candy ka sa bag,
Wala. Importante laro to. Gusto rin yung manood.
Latigay. And
PLDT not able to keep that alive.
Latigay, uhulog na sana. Nakita parating si Eulalio, nagbago isip. So 3 straight points now for Cagayan Valley. Giselle C serving once again. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. Ruby, Latigay, C, Maizo, angat for Marciano. Off the block, Santiago, inabutan. De Leon, Roses. Banggaan si Pineda at si C. So Kuya scores. 5-3. Nakita natin. Titignan ni Bang kung buo pang ipin niya doon.
Mas direct collision
Oo.
there.
Ito rin kasi si C, pwede naman kasi rin maglibero to eh. Sa pang maganda court sense. And there's Eulalio, the quick.
Oh, excellent one-hand set from Giselle C.
And credit the reception of Bang Pineda, of course, to make that happen.
In short, it's a perfectly executed play.
Yeah.
O, tignan nyo. Diba? Ang ganda ng
Sabi
pagkakabigay din ni Giselle C.
Sabi ni Giselle kay Ate Ruby, akala mo ikaw lang kaya mag one-hand set, ate
Kaya
ha?
ko rin yun.
Oo. 5-4. Again, the addition of Giselle C dito sa Cagayan Valley. Priceless. Ano yan talagang, yan ang Nest Familiar baby.
Oo. And we all know, of course, na Coach Ness himself has been one excellent setter.
Right. At pag nag-develop si Coach Ness na setter, asahan mo.
Oo.
Talagang maganda ang kalalabasan. At Tintin Santiago scores again. Kita natin dito. This was the first conference connection for NU.
And we have Mina Aganon also now on the floor here for PLDT.
Mina Aganon making her first appearance in a PLDT home telpad uniform. Latigay, Pineda, Giselle C, combination play, Janine Marciano, nando naman si De Leon sa likuran. Roses, sending it to Aganon. Pineda digs it up. Back set, Maizo. And Isa Maizo just missing. Just missing. Humingi si Isa Maizo, line ball daw.
It was a smart play from Isa, ha? Kasi nakita niya talaga yung butas eh.
Ganda ng hang time that time. Pero yun na nga, sa kakahang time yan, napalakas tuloy yung tira. 7-4, PLDT home telpad. The majestic serve of Luan once again. Giselle C, back set, Maizo. And she will score off of Mina Aganon's hands. So 7-5. Mahabol na naman po itong kupunan ng Cagayan Valley. Janine Marciano. Nice sharp serve there. The former San Beda Lioness. Marciano. C. Sending it to Vargas. Nakahabang si Dindin. Giselle C.
Backliner. Giselle C.
Na-double. Hindi naman lumusot yung kamay niya sa net. Masyado siya maliit eh. 8-5.
Especially if she is already in the back row. Now, Coach Roger expects to see more plays so they won't be as predictable as they were in the previous set. At sinabi niya bago sila maghiwa-hiwalay, first set pa lang yan, kaya bumawi tayo ngayong second set. Noel and Ivy?
A big-time bawi there coming from Mina Aganon actually sa kanyang block point. So that is the first point for Mina Aganon in a PLDT home telpad uniform. Balik sa apat na kalamangan ng Turbo Boosters. Not a good reception that time from Bang Pineda, and that's back-to-back points for Mina Aganon. Shanchay.
Shanchay, oo. Nga kamukha ko niya, no?
Oo. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin, proudly Philippine-made. 10-5. Maizo, C. Vargas, off the hands of De Leon. De Leon now setting, papunta kay Aganon. 3 for 3 for Mina Aganon. 1 block point and 2 attack points.
Mina Aganon. Maganda rin yung pagkakapasok ni Coach Roger dito kay Aganon here in second set.
Time out, Cagayan Valley.
Tandaan lang muna, isa-isayin natin. Kung binuhan mo rito, doon ang target. Pag ganun mo ang pihit din sa sunod. Pag tumama sa block ito, takapun. Ano pa dahil hindi sa malaking dahil? So tayo, umisip muna tayo, dahan-dahan ito.
Tignan ulit natin, Mina Aganon, biglang umandar ang kanyang makina. Yan, dalawang blocker na lumaban sa kanya. May coverage pa. Wala talaga magawa Cagayan Valley. Yun. Aganon is on. Yung sasabi nga, the silent operator. Hindi masyado silent that time.
Not
yun,
so much. But
Oo.
then, she doesn't really play very flashy kasi, di ba? Magugulat ka na lang na ang dami na pala niya nagagawang puntos.
Right. Vargas sends that one to Ortigas Avenue.
Vargas trying to follow suit with what Coach said. Down the line mo. Pero medyo kinulang ng konting tip of the wrist.
12-5. Biggest lead of the game now. Para sa PLDT home telpad. A good serve once again coming from Sue Roses. So the former two-time MVP trying to go for her third MVP award this year. Yan yung mga runners for MVP natin. Roses, itong si Aiza Maiso, yung dalawang taga-Army, yung Gonzakis. And of course, si Micah Ortiz naman, galing sa Air Force. De Leon, quick set for Dindin Santiago.
Napakamot talaga si Nancy.
Wala kang magagawa naman talaga eh. Talagang...
but good effort on her part though kasi at least she was able to keep it up.
Giselle C, if there's anything she has displayed new dito sa ating conference na ito, yung ability to play floor defense niya. Galing pala talaga.
So may future din siya para maging defense.
Why not? Diba? And here is Santiago. And again, that's a late call but the correct call. Galing dito kay Efren Gaan as a lifting violation. So yun, talagang nanambak na ang PLDT home telpa dito sa second set. Only 5 points for Cagayan Valley after Maiso scored 11 on her own nung ating first set. Pao Soriano. De Leon, galing likod, Luan, tinapos. At si Luan natawa sa sarili.
Lucky break here for Cagayan, and this is probably what they need to keep the points rolling in. So, and ngayon naman, Cagayan naman yung medyo nahirapan sa depensa.
Right. Well, hindi umaabot kay Pineda yung defensas. Joy Benito and Chi Saed check in for the first time. And Chi Saed, of course, the veteran. Multiple championship, multiple best setter awards for De La Salle University. What a serve. De Leon hinulog. Tama po yung nakikita nyo pong score. 16-6. It's all PLDT home telpa. Dito po sa ating second set. We'll be right back.
Cherry Rose.
Nunag. Again, royalty. Volleyball royalty po yan. Benito. Their first attempt. Nakagawa kaagad si Joy. Again, the former NCAA MVP as well. 16-7. Babasa siya. Mga habulin itong Rising Suns on Pao Soriano's serve. Roses. De Leon. Aganon. Lina Aganon. Hinulog na lamang. Talagang parang naflatan talaga itong Cagayan Valley rito sa second set.
That's right. So they're having, it's their turn naman yun to have, a difficulty with their receiving and their defense.
Well, Pineda has not been the target of anything. So wala rin magawa eh.
I think PLDT was able to figure it out. Iiwas yung bola kay Bang.
Oo. O yan, si Bang pinuntahan ni Roses. Yan, nadig tuloy siya. Benito again! Benito. Kabubunot pa lamang. 2 puntos na kaagad na naitatala para sa Cagayan Valley.
At yung sinasabi natin na parang, why Coach Ness is having a hard time choosing among his lineup kung sino bang ipapasok niya. Ang dami, exactly. As we can see right now, sino man ang ipasok niya, gumagawa ng puntos.
Wala pa si Tabakero niyan. Sa lagay na yan, ha? Latigay, nakabuelo. One hand save there coming from Chisay. De Banadera now. De Leon, galing likod. Santiago. And that is just missed.
Outside.
At sabi ni Coach Roger, ka masyado dun.
Well, we've noticed din, talagang gumagawa siya ng angulo sa mga palo niya. But so far, she has not been successful. Hindi siya nga naging attempt sa outside ng kanyang palo.
Ruby. Oy, nalusutan si Eulalio that time.
PLDT, really, talagang maabante ng todo dito sa set number 2. They have scored a lot in terms of attacks and they're able to keep their errors at a minimum here in set number 2.
Benito, that time lumabas. Pero, akala ko, overall ni Efren Gaan. Hindi daw, malayo daw. So it is 19-9. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Benito playing against her former coach, by the way, and to some of her former teammates. Marciano, naabangan ni De Vanadera. Saet will give it up. Pantone, De Leon, De Vanadera, nandun na naman si Pineda. Marciano, Blanca, inabot doon kay Roses. Benito, nagapay Santiago. De Vanadera, sending it to Latigay. And Luan Latigay is able to score.
Good attempt there from Marciano. What's interesting to note here, how tables have really turned in set number 2.
Very familiar. It looks like game number 1.
Yeah.
Ganun din na nangyari. Timeout, Cagayan Valley.
Pagka na-cover dito, dito ka mapasok, maatras na agad eh. So dito ka muna manggagaling lagi. Ito lagi ang posisyon mo. So yung kinuha mo rin kanina yan, dapat kailangan mamadali natin. Ha?
So tignan natin kung matadaan nila sa Tiyaga rito as Luan Latigay puts it away that time. Ando naman si Marciano, pero again,
positioning nga, gaya na sabi ni Coach Neste. That they should be in their proper position para hindi nga naman sila mahirapan sa pag-save sa bola.
29 ang ating score. Hindi pa naka-double figures dito Cagayan Valley. Let's see if Marciano can change that. Hindi pa rin. Santiago. Combination play. Latigay. Ando si Pineda. Back set. Benito ngayon for Cagayan Valley. De Leon. Roses. Benito will do the setting for Janine Marciano. Naabangan. Benito keeping it alive. Side. Back to Marciano. Marciano dinaan sa net. Ruby De Leon. Dalawa umatake. Roses dug up there by Saed. Long rally. Marciano. Turned back by De Vanadera. Benito tinawid. And Benito scores.
Good resilience here from Cagayan. Talagang nakita natin, dinadaan nila sa tiyaga eh.
Right. Benito with 3 points in their short stint sa sahig. Babalik ulit si Maiso. Babalik ulit si Giselle C. Kita natin dito. Marciano was denied. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Shut the door.
And, well, you know, Noel, I think it's safe to point out, no, Din still is struggling with her reception.
Oo. De Leon, iniwan para kay Roses. Marciano, free ball from Eulalio. That's gonna drive Despamilar crazy. De Leon, Latigay, habol si Bang, habol si Marciano. Nagkabanggaan si Bang at si Marciano.
Good effort here from the Lady Rising Suns in trying to keep that ball alive.
De Vanadera will sit. Mapasok muna ito si Benting. This is for serve purposes now. Sa panahon ng tagulan ni Wasan ng Dengue, Line Tiger Katolang gamitin. Proudly Philippine-made. Oh, it's for serve purposes, pati na rin sa depensa sa likuran.
Yes.
Maizo, quiet here in set number 2 after blistering in set number 1. Santiago! Hirap, walang blocker.
Well, if you have Din Santiago on your front line, you really have to make sure na talagang may nagbabantay sa kanya.
Oh, late ang dalawang blocker that time. Benting with the serve, up by 12. Marciano, Santiago, Benting, galing sa likod, Roses. Eulalio will set. Dapat for Maiso. Wala naman sa pwesto si Maiso.
Well, miscommunication on that part.
Pineda digs it up once again. They go to Janine Marciano.
Interesting that they don't go to Maiso.
Oo. De Leon, kabila. Latigay, off the net. Pasok.
Lucky break for Luan Latigay. With a little help from the tape of the net.
Sorry kagad si Ruben. Karina gusto ni Luan na set. Yung dikit na halos sa net.
Oh. Yeah. Kasi she has a lot of wrist action eh. So, the nearer it is to the net, mas madali yun para sa kanya at siguradong papasok.
Marciano sa kabila na umatake. So, 23-11. Panandali ang nabigyan ng konting palugi ditong kupunan ng Cagayan Valley. There will be a change in the quicker position now as Eulalia will sit and Faye Guevara out of Adamson University sees her first action of the game. In fact, sees her first action of the series. So Faye Guevara.
Good serve.
De Leon, din, simpleng hulog.
Marciano was late on that block.
Set point now. There's 13 set points for PLDT Home Delpad. Ilan ang kailangan nila? Luan. Gusto isa lang. Serve by Latigay. Nice one. Maizo sending it to Marciano. And Marciano able to get 1 point back. 24-12.
So Cagayan needs 12 more points to tie this up. And it is going to be a flawless volleyball para sa Lady Rising Sun.
Binanggit mo pa talaga.
Oo, eh.
Hoy, ganda ng serve ni Marciano. Santiago. Ayun, wala na. Ganun na lang.
Ganun lang. Within din Santiago and set number 2.
Oh, Merry Christmas. 12-25.
12-25.
And what a way to bounce back para dito sa PL.
That actually says it all, Noel.
Wow.
The reason why the Turbo Boosters were able to get set number 2 is because they were able to have or create more opportunities for themselves to get those attack points.
Well, Tatanggata Pantone got very busy sa pamamagitan ng kanyang digs and receptions. Pero it was a whole team effort actually to make that happen. At makikita naman natin dito, pati din Santiago, porsyento niya tumataas.
And I think one more thing that the Turbo Boosters did better in set number 2 was the fact that they were actually receiving better as opposed to set number 1. And yun naman ang naging problema ng Lady Rising Suns pagpasok ng set number 2.
Well, Lady Rising Suns able to get the first point dito po sa ating third set. Chisayet gets the start here. Devanadera turned back there by Marciano. Angat ngayon para dito kay Suroses. Over the defense. Chisayet. Sinapak pabalik. Sabi ni Pineda, ano yun ate? Roses on the run. Wala magagawa sa Pineda that time. 1-all ang ating score. PLDT Home Delpad tying things up. So ngayon, Sasa de Vanadera to serve. Marciano. Sayet, quick set. Yulalio, nakabang naman si Roses. Roses, hindi na binalik sa kakampi. Siya na tumira. And a free ball. Wow. Roses on the run. Maizo, kabila. Marciano. De Leon covers. Dindi Santiago. Sayet, back set. Maizo. Finally. I don't know if Maizo scored in the second set.
She did. She scored 2 points. That's 1 attack and 1 block point. And I think she didn't score as much there in set number 2 also because of the fact that yung rotation din ng Cagayan hindi masyadong umikot eh.
Right.
They were having difficulty really with their reception. And it was actually Joy Benito who became the top scorer for set 2 for Cagayan with 3 points.
Here's Santiago. Kept alive there by Vargas. Tinawid naman ni Pao Soriano. Ruby De Leon. Quick set to Dindin. Ito na yung Enyo connection. Nakakatuwa, no? Roger Gorayev went up against this combination in the first conference finals of last year. Na natalo sila. He was still with Ateneo at the time. Now, hawak na niya yung dalawa.
You see, that's the beauty of kasi
open.
Umiikot talaga lahat ng ng players. You get to see a different combination of players every time.
Here's Pineda sending it to Marciano. Off the hands of Santiago once again. They're gonna Pao Soriano. Uy, Pao na ilusot kay Dindin. Pati si Pao nagulat. Actually, kung pumalo si Pao, dalawa agad na kumover sa likuran. Expecting, look at this. Expecting
that the ball would go back.
Yeah. 3-2, Cagayan Valley. With Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. Marciano. Antone. De Leon. Roses. Santiago. Soriano, no way. Pakung-paku sila Tigay doon, wala siya magawa.
Siya mag-isa para magbantay ng buong likod. That's going to be difficult, of course.
4-2, Cagayan Valley. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's Philly. Marciano, Latigay, De Leon, combination, Mina Aganon. And Aganon again, the silent operator. So si Aganon, again, very high percentage sa kanyang palo dito. Sa panahon na tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Catola gamitin proudly Philippine-made. Roses, Pineda, Saet, Vargas, Tagapay Latigay, De Leon, tinapon. Pao Soriano does the setting now for Vargas na pinadaan sa kamay ni Ruby.
Point goes to Cagayan. They now lead 5-3.
So, kung ano magandang start na PLDT home tail pad no second set, biglang hindi na naman nila nakukuha rito sa third set.
Baka nandito yung malas Noel sa side na to
Baka
ng
nga
court.
no?
Kasi when we had a change court in set number 2 na nandito si Cagayan, nahirapan din sila eh.
Ayan, medyo nag-tilt ng konti itong court natin. Ano ba meron, ha?
Baka nandito tayo sa side na to.
Ganyan. Because it's the official ball of the Shakey's
O nga
Philly.
pala,
Oh.
ano na eh, naipasa mo na daw pala yung trono.
Kay
Naipasa
Seth
mo na
Sarmenta.
yeah, I
Oh.
know. Napasa mo na pala yung curse. So it must not be the reason.
It's not. Also, and you know what, I've been telling you guys for years, hindi ko masabi si Seth talaga may hawak. Miyaka Lim. After all these years, hindi nyo pa rin talaga napaniwalaan ngayon. Si Miyaka Lim present in a lot of those fight setters. Makababalik lang niya. Ay,
Siya talaga.
Siya talaga. Miyaka Lim. Di ba, Barry? Di ba? All these years.
Yun si Barry siguro pinakamagandang tanongin dyan kasi he has been present in
Everything.
all of the games. So, di ba? Siya magpapatunay dyan.
Tanong natin mamaya. Here's Saet now, going to Vargas. Vargas turned back there by De Leon. Si Saet, nandun naman sila Tigay. Ruby De Leon, back set kayo, papunta rito kay Dindin. Hinulog, nandun naman si Pineda. Saet, Vargas.
Oh, there was a net violation
Sasa
error.
naman.
Called up against PLDT.
Sasa, napangiwi.
Medyo nagigil ng konti sa pag-block itong si Sasa.
So 6-5. Well, she is the leading blocker of the team. So talaga trabaho niya yon. Now Pao Soriano, who is the leading blocker of their team. Latigay, De Leon, Aganon. Ando naman si Mais sa cover. Saet sa kabila, Vargas. Third back by De Banadera. Saet, quick set, De Banadera, nandun na naman. Vargas, third time around. Ando naman si Roses, quick set, De Banadera. Ay.
That was a left violation called by the referee.
Walang magawa si Sasa that time. So, Roses, napakabot din. So, 7-5, Cagayan Valley. Mga errors sa PLDT, ha? It backfired as Wenat Eulalio read the play. 8-5, Cagayan Valley, set number 3. We'll be right back.
How do we make it better?
By texting, calling, and surfing.
With Smart's All Text 20 Plus.
Only on a text to everybody.
Trying it calls to many.
Made better with all day surfing. Now free and the tweet. Share and like. It's the tweet that's so free. And it's still at 20 bucks.
Send to AT20 to 2827.
So now the day gets better.
How do I keep an angel happy? Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday, and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. So Friday, I'm in love. With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 pesos lang, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. Send All-In 99 to 2827. Got plans na?
Yeah. With you.
I'm so lucky.
Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Pro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in.
What's the fun
Lisin ng mata sa bola. Malakas ang opensa ng kalaban kaya mag-usap tayo sa block at magtyaga sa depensa. Noel and Ivy?
Well, that's exactly what they're doing right now kung bakit sila may kalamangan ng 3 puntos. Aganon, ginamit na naman ang kamay ng blockers. That time it was Chisayet na na-victimize niya. So, baba sa 2 ang kalamangan dito ng Cagayan Valley. Naomi Aganon, playing in her first game for PLDT Home Telpad. Chisayet, Eulalio, naabangan that time with De Leon. Saet, no chance against the Banadera. So, Sasa, yan na naman yung mga blocks ni Sasa. Isa pang silent operator
Yeah.
yun eh. Akala mo sa opensa, medyo maingay kasi pasabog yung mga quick niya. Pero pagdating sa depensa, ang dami niyang block, ang dami niyang deflections.
Masipag kasi mag-block eh.
Right.
It's really all over the front.
Vargas,
another violation error that's sort of against the Banadera.
De Banadera na naman. Tinuro na siya ng ating second referee, Danilo Bongkinki. Sabi ni Coach Roger, focus na.
Because those are free points being given out by PLDT, and in fact, we have more unforced errors here early on, just before, just at the first technical timeout.
Well, there's a service error there against Cagayan Valley. Pero yun nga, yung 3 net violation ni De Banadera might loom large dito sa ating laban na ito, especially here in the third set. Sa panahon na tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tigers na ito lang gamitin. Proudly Philippine-made. Ruby De Leon on the serve. Chisayet had to dump it. Ruby, back set. Roses. May tumama ba?
They were falling for a touch.
Meron.
They were saying that somebody touched. Somebody from Cagayan touched it.
Sabi ni Efren Gaa, ginawa ko na yung tawag. There was a check ball. Let's see if there was.
Aisa Baisa was saying, wala, Profi.
Sa likod ang check ball kay Aisa.
But she was saying to the referee, wala daw, Profi. Wala.
Aisa.
The crowd did not appreciate the call given by the ref. But you can see naman that the referees are really watching and looking at it. So, the referees probably really saw that there.
Maizo has been very quiet after exploding in the first set. Nice block by Marciano. Ito na yung pro Cagayan Valley crowd. Coming to life dito. Wanting to see the Rising Suns back in the finals. Cagayan Valley going for their 3rd consecutive Open Conference Finals appearance. Yung una nila, yung 2012, natalo sila sa Sandugo. 2013, 16-0. Nakuha nila yung kampyonato. They're trying to go for their 3rd straight. Si Maiso nasabihan na. Siya yung tumata yung captain on the floor habang wala si Angge.
That's right. The referee telling her, calm down.
Coach Ness is still barking at Efren Gaa. So, Cagayan Valley now to serve. Chisayet. Antone. Latigay. Roses. Cross court. At the miss. And Kuya will sit. Soltones will enter, which puts Soltones at the utility spot now.
And we all know naman that Soltones has this capability to switch positions, to switch places.
Tatayong kapitan ngayon sa PLDT Home Telpad, si Ruby De Leon. As Chisayet serves again. De Leon going to Soltones. Nasa open kagad tumira. Sabi ni Gresham, patiin muna ng isa rito bago ako mag-utility.
Nakapalit tayo.
And good result naman ang nakuha rito ni Soltones. So, yan ang ano rin iniisip din nila. Nagbilang sila ng spiker. 3 winger. Isa dyan, mag-utility. Malamang Soltones. Palihula nila. Here is Soltones now. Santiago with the power. Marciano. Aganon. De Leon. Dingin. Turned back by the net.
I think that was a little bit too low, but the good effort though on the part of keep that play going from De Leon and Santiago.
Well, ito na naman. Lamang na naman ang dalawang Cagayan Valley. Init na naman ulo ni Roger Corayan. And again, these are 2 of the feistiest coaches in the league. If it's on Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shaky. Ito yung dalawang coach na talagang pag nagalit sa inyo, magagalit sa inyo yan.
We will understand, Coach Roger, why he's really very disappointed or not happy with the performance of the Turbo Boosters. This is a very important game para dito sa PLDT Hotel Pad.
Well, if you're less familiar, ayaw mo rin na umabot ng
Of course,
game 3
that's
ito.
right. You would want to end it now since they already have the momentum winning game number 1.
At makapagpahinga man lang, just in case the matchup between Army and Air Force goes to a third game. Ano nangyari?
Well, there's a violation called
Crossing
up
kay Pau.
again.
So sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. Pero again,
right.
credit the effort of Chisaet. Was kept Giselle C on the bench. Back to another 5-point lead para sa Cagayan Valley. Pantone. Roses. Aganon with the drop. Maizo. Patay.
No defense at all here for PLDT.
Timeout for PLDT Hotel Pad.
Ganyan na lang. Alam niyo ibibigay doon yan eh. Alam niyo ibibigay. Pantayan mo na si Maiso doon, kuya, kunin mo na dito yung second block. Pagtsatsagaan natin, yung pinuntos natin, binawi rin nila. Kuhain yung lead natin. Malayo pa yan eh. Konti nga na lang, huwag kayo masyado. Huwag kayo manggigigil ha. Mag-uusap lang tayo maigi, dahan-dahan lang ang laro. Pag tumatalon, isipin nyo, huwag kayo masyado manggigil sa pag-block.
Yung gigil factor naman kasi talaga nakakasira ng diskarte minsan. Pero again, you can't blame them. They know that they have the firepower to beat Cagayan Valley. Hindi lang sila maka-execute.
That's right. And I guess it's also frustrating on the part of the players as well. Especially, they have these unforced errors that are being committed. And but then again, like I said earlier, one thing that the PLDT would definitely need to boost up here in this set is yung kanilang defense.
Bad play again para sa PLDT Hotel Pad. Maizo able to score once again.
But there is also net violation error called up against PLDT.
19-12.
PLDT would definitely need to wake up. Although this is still,
Malayo pa
kaya
naman.
pang habulin yan. Wala pa sa 20. So, we've seen this done before. But of course, PLDT would really need to work.
Ay, free ball na naman ang pinamigay rito ng Turbo Boosters. Saed, Soriano, 2 hands on the drop. Roses, Aganon, hulog na naman si Mina. Binuhay na naman si Saed. Ruby, Dindin. Palitan ang tao dito. Mukhang hinihingal na si Janine Marciano. Palitan muna.
Here now.
Joy Benito will return. Tabaquero has not even seen the floor today. So, ganun kalalim po ito Cagayan Valley. As Sue Roses puts it in play. Soriano.
So that's outside. Soriano calling out for a check.
So again, malayo pa yan. 19-14. Sue Roses. Pineda. Saed. Vargas masyado malapit. Kept alive there by Santiago. Aganon. Walang kumuha. And Vargas will get the block point. And pinag-uusapan lang natin kanina si Tabaquero. Ito na po siya. Maizo out. Saed out. He returned. At ang Tabaquero sees her first action. Wala na yung tape sa kanyang balikat.
That means it could be better already. Good sign for Anggeta Tabaquero.
But her left leg is still heavily bandaged.
Yan ang mahirap mawala, Noel, no?
Sa ACL yan eh. Dindin. Sinubukan kaagad. Ay! Si Paul Soriano. So 21-14. 4 points away from a return trip to the finals. Giselle C. Pantone, De Leon, Pineda, Benito, Tabaquero. Malakas. Lamig pa si Angge.
So she has been sitting down for most of the match. We're already in set number 4.
21-15. Hindi nakakapanibago. Number 17 na yung numero niya. Nice serve coming from Santiago. C. Soriano. Blocked there by Aganon. Tabakero. Santiago. De Leon. Aganon. And that is it.
That is inside. Another point here for PLDT.
Again, what a debut for Mina Aganon para din sa kanyang bagong kupunan. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng Deke. Light Tiger Katola gamitin. Proudly Philippine-made. Lindin Santiago. Trying to keep her team in this. Vargas. C. Tabakero. Nando si Aganon. De Leon. Back to Mina. Mina with a drop. Benito keeps it alive. Tabakero. Yes! The fans of Cagayan Valley exploding kung sa unang puntos ni Kapitana sa larong to. 22-16. De Leon on the back set. Aganon, dug up there by C. Benito, Tabakero again. Latigay, De Leon. Dindin, galing likod. Naabangan ni Hilario. Binalik. Tabakero, blocked there by De Leon. Back set ngayon. Vargas, De Leon. Latigay. Ang ganda na set. Papunta kay Aganon. Tabakero keeping it alive. Vargas, blocked. Still alive.
You have to give credit to the coverage of Cagayan. It's been very exemplary.
What a block by Rivera. Antone, De Leon, combination, Aganon, buhay pa rin. Vargas, buhay pa rin. Galing sa likod, Santiago. Vargas, Tabakero cannot keep it alive. Ang haba ng puntos napunta sa PLDT home pad. Longest rally of the match.
Yes, and I think one of the most exciting rallies that we've seen in this match so far. Namang ganda tignan kung gaano kasipag yung both teams in terms of defense and coverage. Both teams really very intense na hindi mamatay yung bola sa side ng court nila.
Mina Aganon na nasa likuran na. Serving. Short serve goes wide.
Not a good sign there for PLDT.
Pinaghirapan ng PLDT lampas 1 minuto yung huling rally. Sa isang idlap, nakakapuntos ka agad ang Cagayan Valley. 23-17. Rosemary Vargas, player of the game ng Game 1. Here's De Leon. Latigay, Vargas. Giselle C. Joy Benito. One-hand dig there coming from Dindin. Aganon. Dindin, pinamigay. Pineda. Giselle C. Tabakero into the net. So 23-18. Kuya, bumalik sa harapan. It's another threat now for PLDT home pad. As will be De Leon. Will now serve. Trying to keep the Turbo Boosters in the match. Not a good reception from Pineda.
Oh,
and not a good spike by Tabakero.
Another error there from Angke.
Sumaba sa 4 ang hinahabol ngayon. Antone will return. Papalit-palit. Di na nakapagpahinga ng isang buong, 3 rotation.
Oo Wala na. Isang pagsaglit lang siya. Babalik na naman siya.
Benito blocked and that's a score from Roses.
No coverage this time for Cagayan.
And a timeout will be called by Cagayan Valley. 3 na lang po ang abante nila rito.
Baka pinapabol nyo.
Sayang. Bayan lang natin. Isang patay lang tayo, magka-24 tayo. Gawin mo yung parang. Ano gusto natin hintayin muna ng pagkumikit bago tayo i-score? Nangyari na natin sa atin ng nakaraan niya, kalaban din lang tayo. Diba?
All they need is to get to set point. Yun ang short-term goal nila.
Yeah.
Makuha lang, match point pala, match point.
But for PLDT, they're just down by 3. So ito, very, very easy. Kaya pa nilang habulin.
De Leon, sharp serve by Ruby! Hindi na makakahintay na isang rotation to. Kailangan na ibalik si Maison sa kasisahin. Isa pa sanang rotation yan bago ibalik yung dalawa. Hindi pa rin puno yung frontline ngayon tuloy ng Cagayan Valley. So 23-21. Ruby targeting Maizo, pero nakuha naman yun ni Pineda. Yulalio, hulog. Santiago from the back. Too near for Latigay, pero nahulog pa rin.
Marciano now comes back in.
Palitan niya si Joy Benito. What a rally for PLDT Home Telpad. Meron pa silang isang timeout na hindi ginagamit. Ruby De Leon has been the star sa kanyang service. Pineda, Saet, Marciano, turned back there by Latigay. Yulalio, Palo, turned back by Roses. Marciano, kinapos, 23 all. A collapse by Cagayan Valley sa endgame.
So PLDT now has opportunity to extend this to a 5-set match.
Asa na ba si Sir Sarmenta?
Baka nandito lang yun, Noel, di natin nakikita. He's just lurking around the corner watching.
De Leon serving for the lead. Maizo, Saet, Marciano, Antone, Santiago, Latigay, cross court. Marciano, blocked by Banadera. Back set. Maizo, galing likod. Roses, Latigay.
And that is outside. And easy point there for Cagayan, and it is match point now for the Lady Rising Sun.
Finals point now for Cagayan Valley. They win this next point. Finals na sila. Saet serving for the match. Serving for a place in the finals. Antone, good reception. De Leon, galing likod. Latigay, nato si Pineda. Maizo, yes!
And that is outside. And we are tied 24 all.
An uncharacteristic error by UST's former scoring machine. De Banadera sits. Benting will come back in to serve. Race to 26. Serving for the lead. Benting. Saet. Yulalio! Match point once again para sa Cagayan Valley. So well at Yulalio now. Serving for a place in the finals. Antone, De Leon, Santiago on the delay. Maizo, Pao Soriano, back up by our former teammate, Antone. Benting across. Saet, Marciano, back up, kept alive, still goes Santiago. Oh, net violation against PLDT. At tapos na po yung laban.
And it is the Cagayan Lady Rising Suns who will go into the finals.
And the two old friends, Roger Goraya and Nespa Millar, congratulating each other as Cagayan Valley has now won 3 consecutive matches after losing 4 straight in the quarterfinals. 26-24 sa ating 4th set. So abangan na lang ng Cagayan Valley kung sino kalaban nila. Kung Army o Air Force, shake and play. Juaneth Yulalio giving them their 2nd championship point. And Cagayan Valley is through to the finals.
How do I keep an angel happy? Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday.